guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley, aka Pink-UniBudgetz, and if you're interested in planning, budgeting, and overall wellness, please hit that subscribe button, like this video, comment, share. Today we're going to talk about what I did with my stimulus check. So of course I got my hair done, got my eyebrows microbladed, and I got my tattoo. But you guys saw that I saved up for this tattoo. It's in the healing process right now. I have some Acuphor on it right now, so it's a little scabby, it's a little peely, but that's all a part of the healing process. So if you guys want to know, what I kind of use, because I bought a whole bunch of different stuff for my tattoo healing process. And I want to give a shout out to NailBae. She made these press-ons. They're so nice. I'll link her website down below. But all right, you guys, let's get into it. All right, so today I'm gonna use my stimulus check to catch up on my savings binder. I wanna make sure I'm still in frame. But my saving challenges, and I got these from Pink-UniBudgetz here on YouTube. And then I'm just gonna be catching up on them, so. And then I'll do these a little bit later, once I get my funds in order, because Pinkie likes to shop. So, and I'm gonna do some of it will go into my cash envelope, and then some will go into my sinking funds. So I do have to get that ready. Okay, so let's do my saving challenges so we can catch up. I think I was just gonna do the month of March. Yeah, we're gonna do the month of March, because that's kind of when I started, was like February, March. So I have 85. 50, 70, 85. That's gonna go in there. And 70. 95, 50, 70, 80, 90, 5. And 80. 70, 80. 50, 60. And it gave me this old 50. It's so old. On those, and now we're gonna do my cash envelopes. See, you guys, I made my own little funds. Funny about this one is I actually lost it a long time ago. Envelopes. We're only going to do groceries. And today is, what's today? Sorry guys. Since I am recording on my phone. But you guys, this is my planning. I did make a video on this, but I think it's from last week. And it was like all the things, like I didn't have enough gigabytes on my iPad, so I will try to upload this one, kind of like what I did. And I did all this too. Like I videoed all that, all the things. So today is the 24th. And we're gonna put 50. And then the gas. I broke it down, so I was waiting on my new cash envelopes to come in today, but they're arriving late, of course. So I did break it down so I could put more in my cash envelopes, but I might have to come back to it. But right now, we're just gonna do groceries and gas. So I have 25. I think I did 2 20s. 20, 40, 45, and 50. $50 in gas. I think I broke it down. So 20, 20, 30, 40, 45, and 50. Spending, and I think I did 30 for emergencies. Oh, whoops. And then put 50 in beauty and 141 in tattoo. I am going back in June to get this finished. I'm gonna do the other side. Cause you know, I used that, my eyebrows microbladed, and then I got the tattoo, so. 50. I have 100, 20, 41. And then I have some extras that I was gonna put in my March Madness. I think this is week 3. So this is all extra. See how much we have in our March Madness, and they said that they're gonna release the iPad mini in April, so we're gonna see what I do, or I might just put this in debt. Like that would be a good idea too. Okay, so I just separated them because it was a little bit too much for my hand. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 5, 30, 130, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, and 56. So I have 156. Alright, you guys, that is it for today. I might upload another video pretty soon, probably my planning video. I'll probably upload, even though it was from last week. But alright, you guys, have a blessed day, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, like this video. Bye.